Awesome. Thank you very much, everyone. Just want to start off by thanking you guys for coming out tonight. It means a lot to us, especially with this new venture to Florida. We didn't think there'd be this much excitement, of course, like Matt and Nick explained, but it's awesome to still have you all here. I know there's 10 minutes left in the period, so I'll keep it quick. Thank you, Ethan, for the introduction. And like you said, I'm the president and co-founder of Spark Financial Group, but I used to work at the bank, so they thought I was best fit to talk about banking and the financial structure. So when looking at opening up a bank account in the U.S., many times it's overlooked, even personal experience. We went to go venture out into the U.S., open up a corporation, find an office. We forgot to get a bank account. And that's one of the most important pieces, given the fact that, one, you want to save on that conversion rate. Many times you can open up a U.S. account here in Canada and you can actually start saving, whereas, sometimes we had a little bit of a sticker shock when I had to send money down there and the conversion rates were a lot higher. So that's one of the main reasons you want to look at opening a cross-border banking account. So some banks that are great for that is TD, RBC, BMO. And if you're not too scared, there's some great accounts in the U.S., maybe Bank of America, Wells Fargo. Try to stay away from some of these Silicon Valley banks, anything like that. So with TD and Bank of America, they have a great connection with each other. So you can actually go down there and pull from your Bank of America account, done it firsthand. There's no fees, no charges. Now, when you're looking at saving for your down payment when purchasing a home, it works the same as Canada. You will need a 90-day history. So again, a lot of you would want to look at start saving in Canada, convert that into your US dollars slowly. So again, you're not sending that huge amount via wire or on the day of when you have to send money into escrow. Another great point is when you're down there as well, you're able to use U.S. credit. So a lot of Canadians think that you have to use your Canadian credit card or use a Canadian American Visa. So one of the great features of Bank of America, again, is with just one piece of ID and a Equifax report, they're able to actually pull that report from Canada to the U.S. and provide you with a U.S. credit card. So you're able to start building credit there. Now, when we're looking at the mortgage transaction side of things, if you don't have U.S. credit, it's not a big deal. Again, like I said, Equifax and through Canada, and the U.S. speak to each other. So we can either look at most recent trade lines from Canada, or we look at your U.S. credit and your Canadian credit combined when we're approving you. One of the other options here is, Bank of America. They are huge with, they're big across the U.S. and they're great for your mortgage payments. Because again, another thing you want to remember is those monthly mortgage payments as an investor from Canada. You don't want to have those payments coming out of the U.S., coming out of your Canadian bank account. So every month you save on those conversion fees by opening up a U.S. account, maybe at Bank of America or TD, to have that easy cross-border banking transaction. And that's it for me. It's short and sweet. I just want to let you guys know we're at the back over there, the side tables. We are going to be doing registration for the next little bit while you guys are having some drinks and networking. So please come by. We're going to be we're going to be onboarding you to talk about purchasing a vacation home, investment property, or refinancing any current properties you have down there. So come sign up for your intake call. Thank you.